You stinker.
Royal dark green leafy vegetable person. The king's royal spinach.
It's good for your eyes to have enough light when you read or write and draw.
Royal light person. The king's royal reading, writing, and drawing light. Ooh, a horsey.
From then on, the king of Idaho took very good care of his eyes. And whenever the king went on vacation, he left Irene in charge.
Keep an eye on things, Irene.
Okay, Your Royal Highness. The end. Coming up next, I Rule.
Elmo still wants to find out more about time. Don't you? How can we find out more? What could that be?